So who won is the question today. Did the Congress win? Did the RSS win? Did Modi win? Certainly Mr. Advani did not win. Rita Bahuguna Joshi of the Congress is taking on Prakash Javadekar in the second News Hour debate today. KC Tyagi of the JDU, Manoj Jha of the RJD, Naresh Gujral of the Akali Dal and Aarti Jairath completing our panel. Ashok Malik joining us in some time. So Prakash Javadekar, who won? It seems the RSS won.
The party won, the ideology won, and our working methodology won. Because we are a perfect internal democracy, party having internal democracy, and this is the beauty of BJP. This is the beauty of whole RSS culture also. That he expressed his opinion, which was taken seriously by the party and was conveyed to him, and party requested him to continue to guide him and take back the resignation. Sarsang Chalak also, and he is.
So, but I thought the RSS was not supposed to be involved in politics. I thought the RSS was a socio-cultural organization. What happened to that? Rita Bahuguna Joshi is already smiling. Rita Bahuguna Joshi.
I will tell you.
The RJD is smiling.
I'll tell you.
Rita Bahuguna Joshi is smiling.
He was addressing to the senior most pracharak, Sangha Swayamsevak.
Sir, you have. This is the first time. I have very limited experience as a journalist, but this is the first time that I have heard the BJP officially acknowledge the role. That the final decision in the BJP comes from Nagpur. Rita Bahuguna Joshi.
No.
Yes, well.
This is not the issue.
Well, it's very interesting. This comment really is very interesting, and it has exposed the BJP and the RSS, the impact that they have over them, the influence they have over them. And now the nation would want to know what transpired between the RSS and the BJP that this has come through. It's no victory, you said, who won. It's a face-saving act. Face-saving act after a high-voltage drama that went on for full 36 hours within the BJP camp. Though we are not interested in how things went about in their camp. But what is the victory for Advani ji? What is the victory for the BJP? Because whatever he had said in his letter has not been taken cognizance of. The only one-liner that has come is that his resignation is not being accepted and he is withdrawing his resignation. So now we are very interested in knowing from
Yes, Mr. Javadekar,
as to what happened. How has he taken it back? And the RSS play with the BJP is now exposed.
Tell the Congress today, not just the Congress, tell the entire country today, Prakash Javadekar, what happened in the phone call between the RSS? Before I come to you, the RJD also wants to say something.
One minute. I will not blame Rita Bahuguna Joshi because she is away, so she has not read the full text. We have very clearly mentioned that Rajnath ji discussed with Advani ji about the concerns he has expressed through his communication and has assured him that we'll at the right party fora will discuss those concerns.
Where did Mohan Bhagwat come in?
So that is already
Where did Mohan Bhagwat come in?
No, Mohan Bhagwat ji, I'll tell you. Mohan Bhagwat ji as Sarsang Chalak can address to any Swayamsevak and you know.
Really?
He has.
This is the first time. Mr. Javadekar.
Yes.
No, Mr. Javadekar. No. Always there was a written rule. There was a written rule. Always a written rule that the RSS does not interfere in the functioning of the BJP. This rule has been broken today. Am I correct?
1 minute. This is not interfering. This is not interfering.
Manoj Jha.
No, this is not interference. This is absolutely a correct communication, and we are giving you the real story.
Well, let's hear everyone. The headline today is the RSS ends the BJP drama. The BJP divided house, BJP camps, BJP washes dirty linen in public. Sarsang Chalak Mohan Bhagwat has to finally come in and intervene and make Advani take back his resignation. That is the headline which emerges. Well, Manoj Jha.
Yeah. In fact, I'm in sync with you when you said that for the first time there is official, in fact, unregulated, unbridled recognition that RSS is guiding. In fact, it is calling the shots within BJP. And what is very interesting that in last 2-3 days, the way developments have taken place, BJP stands exposed as a party. We always had differences with BJP, that it's divisive politics, it's polarizing potential about RSS also. But when you used to say that the standard argument was RSS is a socio-cultural organization, You go to BJP website and it tells you what RSS is. And today, Prakash, I must say that he is honest, that he is acknowledged. Today, RSS and BJP appear in sync with what is said, emperor without clothes. It's BJP RSS without clothes today. Everybody knows how it is going on, what has been done, what is the role of the Frankenstein monster, the creator getting horrified by the creation. And this is going to be, in fact, people have known it even before they package themselves as an alternative to UPA 2. They stand exposed.
So this is the question, Prakash Javadekar. That's why the BJP is in the dock today, Mr. Javadekar, because it appears the problems in the BJP are so deep and so intractable that today Mohan Bhagwat has to call Advani when Sushma Swaraj, Balbir Punj and Gurumurthy and Nitin Gadkari are sitting with Advani on a conference call. They are calling Mohan Bhagwat and Mohan Bhagwat is telling them what to do. Is this a party or is this just an organization which is being run by remote control from Nagpur? The cat is out of the bag today. No, Mr. Javadekar, you can say no, but the fact is this is exactly what's happened.
30 seconds, 1 minute.
Okay, go ahead.
No,
go ahead.
Let me tell you. Yeah, my submission is very simple. That we are an ideological parivar. We have a family-like relation. And in that, when a
family-like relation,
all who were sitting and discussing, yes, definitely. And when our patriarch, the senior most leader of the BJP, is also the senior most.
So everybody wants, everybody in the BJP only wants everybody in the BJP.
I mean, we walked out of. We were walked. 1 minute. We walked out of Janata Party because it took a confrontative stand, and that's why we formed the BJP. We can't disassociate those who are.
No, it's becoming, you are, that's exactly the point. No, that is exactly the point.
Yes,
has been scripted.
Ashok Malik. No, let's get Aarti Jairath and then Ashok Malik. You see,
what is bad?
What?
Yes,
Rita Bahuguna Joshi.
Because of the dual membership. BJP did not walk out, Jansan people did not walk out of the Janata Party because it broke up on the dual membership issue.
BJP.
The other parties which were with them, they broke off.
The thesis.
It was not they who walked out.
Rita Bahuguna is correct.
Yes, Mr. Tyagi. Mr. Tyagi. Yes, Mr. Tyagi.
No.
1 second, Mr. Tyagi's turn. Mr. Tyagi. Mr. Tyagi has this, the thin line between the BJP and the RSS, between Nagpur and Ashoka Road today been broken. Is it now confirmed that the BJP runs on the diktat, the official, not the unofficial, the official diktat
Clearly.
of the RSS?
देखिए तो हमारा ये रहस्य उद्घाटन करके प्रकाश जी ने हमारी भी मुसीबतें और ज्यादा बढ़ा दी हैं।
क्यों?
हम तो पहले ही कई कारणों को लेकर के इनकी कार्य प्रणाली से निराश और नाराज हैं और ये रहस्य उद्घाटन करके कि संघ प्रमुख के जरिए सारा मामला हुआ है तो क्या एनडीए के फैसले भी ऐसी होंगे तो हमारी तो चिंताएं और बढ़ गई हैं।
ये तो
मिस्टर जावड़ेकर रिस्पॉन्ड।
को पता नहीं है कि एनडीए के फैसले एनडीए करती है।
हाँ,
लेकिन एक स्वयंसेवक के साथ सरसंघचालक कभी भी बात कर सकते हैं।
ये स्प्लिट पर्सनालिटी स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया में पॉसिबल है, पॉलिटिक्स में संभव नहीं है।
नहीं, ये बिल्कुल पॉलिटिक्स में संभव है। जिनका
जनता पार्टी वाला भी आप कह रहे हैं
राष्ट्रवाद का राजनीति है। देयर व्हाट वी आर सेइंग दैट दोस
सभी राष्ट्रवादी हैं भाई।
बीजेपी इज symbiotic
Mr. Javadekar, Mr. Javadekar, the question is very intricate today. I remember that when he was forced to step down as party chief, Advani spoke out against the RSS and Advani spoke out against the micromanagement of the RSS. When he announced he will quit as BJP president in January 2006, he always said, and I am quoting him here, the RSS too must be concerned that such a perception that it is interested in politics will dwarf its greater mission of man-making and nation-building. You tell me today, sir, is this man-making and nation-building, calling Mohan Bhagwat, sitting there in Advani's house with Gurumurthy and all the other BJP people, is this nation-building that the RSS is doing? Or is this party-building the RSS is doing? Aarti Jairath.
Why not?
Aarti Jairath.
No.
Aarti Jairath.
No, this is absolutely nation-building activity.
And the BJP is equal to the nation, of course. No, Arnab, listen. You know, as far as the relationship between the RSS and the BJP is concerned, this is not the first time that the RSS has intervened in BJP affairs. I mean, we can go back to the decision to project Vajpayee as the PM candidate in 1995-96. The decision, you remember, when the Vajpayee government first came into office in 1998, the midnight decision to dump Jaswant Singh, who was Vajpayee's choice, as a finance minister. That decision was taken under pressure from the then Sanchalik Sudarshan. You know, I mean, I can bring up, you yourself mentioned Advani is having to step down as party president after that Jinnah controversy. So there have been innumerable instances where the RSS has intervened in the BJP, and now, of course, it's getting more and more open. Earlier it used to be more hidden. Now it's coming out in the open. So it just shows how I think the RSS has become a political organization.
No, what is bad?
Organization is now a political.
No,
There's nothing bad. Then let the RSS come out in the open, contest elections, and be an honest to God political
Mr.
organization.
Prakash Javadekar ji.
No, if the Politburo of the BJP is in Nagpur, if the Politburo of the BJP is in Nagpur, if the Politburo of the BJP is in Nagpur, then please tell us that it's in Nagpur. You see, I'll tell you one more example, Prakash Javadekar, before I go to Naresh Gujral and Ashok Malik.
Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute.
Sir, give me 30 seconds.
Give me 1 minute and I'll explain.
Give me 15 seconds.
Yeah,
and I will give you one more example. 15 seconds.
Yes, give me.
Okay, you give me 15 seconds. In 15 seconds, let me tell you this. You are giving me 15 seconds, sir. I take 15 seconds from you. RSS cut Advani to size in October 2011. When Advani started the Jan Chetra Yatra, he went to Nagpur. He wanted to meet Mohan Bhagwat. Minutes before he went to meet Mohan Bhagwat, Nitin Gadkari met Mohan Bhagwat. After the meeting, a crestfallen, as it described in press, crestfallen Advani came out and said he had no prime ministerial ambitions. It was clear to everybody at that point of time that the Politburo of the BJP was in Nagpur. But today it is proven. QED, lock, stock, barrel.
No.
Final political decisions in BJP are not taken by the BJP.
Understand.